Welcome, dear student. How are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty. I am Barun Chandra Sarkar, Assistant Teacher English, Government Jazira Maharali Model High School, Jazira Shariatpur, Class 9 to 10, English second paper. Notice the sentences. Let's play football. Shall we? Do not run in the sun. Will you? Let him do the work. Will you? How charming the scenery is, isn't it? Today's topic is tag question, part 2. Learning outcomes. After completing the lesson, we will be able to identify the imperative sentence, identify the exclamatory sentence, use of different tags. Imperative sentence. What is imperative sentence? Do you know, dear student? Yes or not? I say imperative sentence. A sentence that expresses an order, advice, request is called an imperative sentence. How do we recognize imperative sentence? At the beginning of the sentence, let, let's, please, always, never, be, main verb, kindly, don't, etc. ইত্যাদি ওয়ার্ডগুলো যদি আমরা সেন্টেন্সের শুরুতে দেখতে পাই তাহলে বুঝবো এগুলো ইম্পারেটিভ সেন্টেন্স। If the imperative sentence begins with let us, the tag will be shall we. In all other cases, the tag will be will you. Example, let us go out, shall we. Let's swim in the pond, shall we. Do not run in the sun, will you. Never tell a lie, will you. Please help me, will you. Do you understand, dear student?
Exclamatory sentence. What is exclamatory sentence? Exclamatory sentence expresses strong feelings is called an exclamatory sentence. If there is auxiliary verb at the end of exclamatory sentence, the structure will be the given sentence plus comma plus auxiliary verb and plus subject, pronoun plus exclamation marks, comma plus question mark. Example, what a beautiful scenery it is, isn't it? How beautiful the girl is, isn't she? Dear student, do you understand? If there is a main verb at the end of exclamatory sentence, the structure will be the given sentence or statement plus comma, don't, doesn't, didn't, subject plus subject, pronoun plus exclamation marks plus comma plus question marks. How swiftly the cuckoo sings, doesn't it? How nicely the bird flew, didn't it?
Let's practice. Do not run in the rain. Will you please help me? Will you come in? Will you let me do the work? Will you? How charming the scenery is, isn't it? The mother rose in her,
Didn't it?
exception. The mother rose. মায়ের মাতৃত্ব জাগরিত হলো, এখানে ইট হবে, সাবজেক্ট মাদার হবে না, এখানে ইট হবে সাবজেক্ট। দিস ইজ আ বুক, ইজন্ট ইট? দ্য বেবি ইজ স্মাইলিং, ইজন্ট ইট? ডু ইউ আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড, ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্ট? Dear student, not only there is but also either there is or neither there is nor etc. If two subjects are added, the verb will be according to the second subject. Not only I but also you are going there, aren't you? Either he or you are present, aren't you? Neither my sister nor my brothers have come. Have they? Dear student, some exception tags for you. Statements. Tags. Karim, isn't he? Long live plus subject. Meant plus subject plus question marks. Used to plus didn't plus subject question marks. I am, aren't I? Sorry, aren't I? Goodbye, don't I? A little, a few, positive form. Tag will be negative form. Few, little, negative form. Tag will be positive form. Let's go practice. Happy birthday to you. Don't I? I am sorry, aren't I? Karim, isn't he? Good morning. Don't I? Goodbye. Don't I? I am right. Aren't I? I have a few friends. Haven't I? I have few friends. Have I? Dear student, do you understand? If the main verb is need, the structure will be the statement, comma, don't, doesn't, didn't, subject. Note, needn't is replaced by need. He needs a pen, doesn't he? He needed a mobile phone, didn't he? He needn't worry, need you. Dear student, next. He'd go, he would go. He'd gone, he had gone. He would go to market, wouldn't he? He had gone to school, hadn't he? Dear student, do you understand? In the tag question, if the subject of a sentence is all of us, some of us, most of us, the subject will be we, replaced by us. All of us attended the party, didn't we? Some of us supported her, didn't we? Do you understand, dear student? If the subject of a sentence is all of them, some of them, most of them, every one of them, the subject will be they, replaced by them. All of them are rich, aren't they? Most of them are present, aren't they? Dear student, let's go next slide. In the tag question, if the subject of a sentence is all of you, some of you, most of you, the subject will be you. All of you are guilty, aren't you? Some of you can speak English, can't you? Most of you are present in the meeting, aren't you? Home activities. Have a patience. Close the door. Let me do the work. Be polite. I have a few friends. Dear student, stay home. Stay safe. Thanks to all.